That's a mission to get up there. Oh my god. They're in the right, Lou, watch out.
Let me know when you want to withdraw.
There's one close here, Lou.
Fancy seeing you down here.
On the left, on the left!
Are they on the road or?
On the left, someone!
There are some on the road, yeah.
Lou, need your help. On the left, on the left. Oh, weapon hits. Hit, I'll call it.
Oh, hit!
Hit!
Lou, open the hatch.
Site review part 5.
Site review, they have a tank and you can open it. Ah! You reckon you can cover me?
Window.
Yeah. Ah! Lou, window. Lou, I'm coming to the crate next to you.
Yeah.
I'm here.
Yeah, when we're on next crate.
Go for.
Boys home.
One's pushing right! Well done. He threw the smoke at the teammate. Got one. Oh, hits! Eryn, I'm here again.
Okay.
Window towards the centre, top guys coming in.
That's how you do it, Lou.
Behind.
Get ready to advance.
There's one in this close circle.
Hello.
You got your smoke?
Yeah.
There is one in this circle right in front
I'm
of
going
you.
to let you throw it because I can't throw.
Oh, that doesn't give me high hope. Look, these are easy to use. Like
Just
that.
pull it off.
Ah, it's close enough.
That was good. It's better than I would have done.
Are you shooting there? There's one in this cover. I'm here, hello. Where do we go
Enemy
now?
far side of that path. And then that one.
That close far circle there.
Oh, hello.
Oh, grenade!
Off the path.
Yeah.
Enemy down right side.
At the very back,
We push him then.
There's one at the very back.
Do you want to push up or no?
Yeah, we'll have to. But there's one going to be on the left here. I think there's someone in here still. I'm wondering, do you reckon we can just walk around the front of them?
I think we should all just push up. People will die, but
Luke, one on the left. He's still up there. Yeah, go for it. He's on the left though. He's not checking his left, look. Alright, one's pushed round to the back. Watch out. He's right here on the other side of this wall.